Adulting means being responsible, getting shit done, and figuring out what you're gonna do for the rest of your life and how you're gonna pay your bills. But one of the hardest of them all is being decisive. Yo, 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 what's up? It's my friend Cassie. Welcome back to my channel where we're all about adulting, social skills, self-development, and today we're talking about how to make decisions. So if you can relate, subscribe to the tribe. Growing up means that you have to make a lot of decisions on your own. You got what you wished for, a kid, and now nobody's going to tell you what to do anymore. From what you're gonna have to dinner to quitting your corporate career, you are the only person in charge of these choices, so don't fuck it up.
Just kidding.
If you're like me, being indecisive can really get in the way of productivity and, well, the patience of others and patience with myself as well. Making decisions can be stressful and overwhelming, which is why I decided to make this video for you guys. Decision making is a soft skill most people don't acknowledge, but it's a skill you must have to be more efficient and successful in work and in life in general. So my first tip for you is trust your gut feeling. The adult word for this is called intuition. If you can't hear it, meditate on it. Is this something that's good for you? Is it good for the world? Is it gonna help you in some way? Is this something that you've been putting off? Whatever the question it is, your intuition will tell you the answers to all these questions if you just listen and believe in yourself and know that deep down inside, you know what the right answer is. But if you're still stuck, tip number 2 is Tim Ferriss's binary decision model. If it's not a hell yeah, then it's a no. Simple as that. Does it excite you? Does it pull passion out of you? If there is no question about it, then it's a yes, just do it. Which leads me to my next tip, is the Mel Robbins 5-second rule. If you have an impulse to act on a goal, you must physically move within 5 seconds or your brain will kill the idea. So this includes getting out of bed right away.
Which is something that I need to work on.
The next tip is something you've probably heard about. It's making a pros and cons list. This is one of the most common ways to distinguish between two ideas or more options, and whichever one has more pros is the obvious answer. But here's another one for you, and it's one of my personal favorites. It's called the best case, worst case scenario. A few weeks ago, someone asked me for my advice. She said,
Cassie, I really want to take this weekend off so I can go to this music festival, but I don't know if my boss will say yes.
I told her, best case scenario, you ask him, he says yes, and you get to go to the music festival like you wanted. Worst case scenario, you go to him, you ask him, he says no, and you're still working as if you hadn't asked him. Tip number 6 is to choose the first thing you fell in love with and run with it. You won't beat it. You're gonna end up wasting a lot of time trying to find something better. I'm talking about dresses, shopping, electronics, whatever it is, the menu. All right, give me a thumbs up if you're the type of person that goes to the restaurant with your friends, server comes over, asks for your orders, gets to you, and you go,
can you get back to me?
Here's how to not be that person. You go to the restaurant, you sit down, you grab the menu, look at something, you're like, hell yeah, I love that, I want it. You flip the menu over and you don't look at it again unless it's for dessert. Do this because if you consider your other options, you're going to end up choosing something else and it'll leave you disappointed. Number 7 is to leave it to chance. You can flip a coin. You can write all the things down and put it into a jar and stick your hand in it and pick it out, and that is the winner. You can play rock, paper, scissors, whatever it is that's easy and doesn't take a lot of thinking, and the outcome is absolute. But number 8 isn't so black and white. It's called, can you have your cake and eat it too? Is there a possibility of doing it all? If you can reasonably consolidate your options, why not? It's hard to turn down a 2-for-1 deal, am I right? Number 9 is to listen to your advisors. Listen to your advisors. you can go around and ask your most trusted and your most honest friends to ask for feedback, and you have to truly listen to them because they will give you the answer. But here's a secret. There's never a right choice. One decision might not work out, so go ahead and try the other. Here's the deal. If you try it and you don't like it, you never have to do it again. You will always have options. Your life is going to go the way it's meant to, even with free will. So don't sweat it. There are times when you're gonna feel like you made the wrong decision, but take it with a grain of salt and remember that everything happens for a reason. You either grow or you don't, and that's your choice. But if you are scared of failure, watch this video up here and get comfortable with the F word. If you want more of me, follow me on Instagram at myfriendcassie. I often ask my friends to help me choose on video topics via Instagram polls. Share this with a friend who needs help making decisions. Don't forget to check out these videos over here. And if you're a millennial like me, subscribe to the tribe. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun. I hope you have a wonderful week, as wonderful as you are, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!